Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft uh, invalid session. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, if you want to fix it, click here and then type run, click on it, type here %updata%, go to .minecraft, and then once you're here all you have to do just saves, move it to your desktop and resource pack if you don't want to lose it, and that's it. After that just right click and delete all Minecraft folder, and that's it. Just delete it and then click here, go to Minecraft launcher, right click on it, app settings, scroll down until you find here repair and then click reset, and after that your problem must be fixed. Then go to app data again, go to maybe you will need to launch Minecraft before that, and then you will find here Minecraft folder, so just move this folder here, and that's it. Then try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.